Thanks for joining us today. We're excited to show you how easy and how simple this process is. So check out this video and enjoy.
What's up guys, me and Ariella here. We're gonna show you how fun the sample kits are to do. Are we gonna just go after that? Should we just go after that?
Yeah.
Like, okay, we'll do like a thumbs up when I say your name?
Yeah.
Okay. What's up everyone, I'm here with the Ariella and we're getting ready to show you how fun the sample kits are. Check this out. All right, what we're gonna do, we're gonna get this thing mixed up. Because if we don't mix it right, it doesn't get hard, right? And we don't want that. So we're gonna take the small one, pour into the large, grab one of those tongue depressors. Nice, thank you. Gonna get that out as much as we can. Okay, now you mix that just like that. We don't want to mix it too fast and splash it out, okay? Okay, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna pour you product out on the edges and then just start knocking it down, and then you can even go around to the front. Try not to push a bunch off the edge, okay? You don't need to cover the whole board, all right? You can leave spots that are open, all right? Yep, keep doing it. So like, look, go like this. If you push hard, you can kind of like, see, kind of push it right to the edge. There you go, like a pro. Nice. You're gonna pour this out randomly, puddles all over, right? Like I'll do one here, okay? Do one there, right? Just do them all over. So pour those out randomly. Doesn't matter which direction, just all over the place. Yeah, keep going. Try to get some on your close to your edges. Nice. And we'll push that back in so it doesn't all run off. Yep, keep going, dump it all out. Maybe get a little here, yep, good spot. Maybe a little here. Nice. And then perfect. And then we're gonna spray a little spray. So we just want to do a couple spots, okay? Like that, kind of randomly throughout it, okay? Yep. Yep. Maybe one over here. Nice.
Good.
Sure is. Maybe one over here. Perfect. What do you think? Yep. That's what I was gonna say. Nice. Okay. Now the fun part. You're just gonna take your hands and you're just gonna blend it in like this, all random, okay? Go for it. Yep, just blend it all different directions. Okay, get all your edges good. Blend up there, blend right in here. Yeah, make sure you hit everything. Nice. Okay, now, yeah. Okay, now we're gonna take these off. And we're gonna mist it. What you wanna do is just barely pull the trigger like that, okay? You gotta barely pull the trigger and you're gonna hit it like that. See what it does? So hold it up here and just barely pull the trigger all over. Yeah, barely pull it though, you sprayed a little much. Yep, there you go. See how the bigger ones, when you do bigger drips? There you go. And you can walk around the other side and do the other side too. Hold it up higher. There you go, nice. Maybe a little bit right in here. Yeah, try to get it all hit. A little bit right here. Sweet. Sweet. What'd you think?
I liked it.
Nice.
Hey guys, this was awesome and fun to do, and I think kids would love it because I loved it, and I also think that you should order a kit. By the way, Leggari.com has you covered.